Good morning. Just wanted to share to you what we have for breakfast. So we have some scrambled eggs, leftover burgers, and bacon put in the oven with parchment paper. And of course, Scooby smell the goodies out in the kitchen. So let's have a taste. Before that, I separated the plates, one for my husband and one for me. Of course, the nasty one is mine. But you should try it, guys. It is really amazing having breakfast this morning.